So here is the VIZIO TV that I purchased 4 years ago. This is the model name D24h-J09. So I'm going to show you how to use this TV. Like, this is a 4-year-old VIZIO smart TV that I purchased 4 years ago. And all you need to do to make it like you're using a brand new TV right now is to go and do a software update. So you're gonna go to your settings, you're gonna go to admin and privacy, and look at the check for updates. And then you click on the check for updates, and it's gonna ask you, do you wanna update the TV? And you're gonna hit yes. So I'm gonna show you the real time, like the exact time, because this is an old TV, old VIZIO TV. It's like 4-year-old VIZIO TV. So it's gonna take a little bit to update this because I have not set this up to automatically update. So it's gonna say firmware update. Please do not power off firmware update. So it's gonna update the current version of the VIZIO TV that's in the market right now. So after this is done, you're gonna have like you're gonna have like a VIZIO TV that's up to par with the newest VIZIO TV that's on sale right now anywhere. So right now it's at 16%. Again, the model number is D24H-J09. And right now it's just waiting in for the actual update to download. You can skip this video to the very end if you want to see how it looks, but I'm just going to show you quickly just the exact time it actually does the download the firmware update. So we are at 37% right now. So it depends on your internet download speed. But again, this was purchased 2020. So that was 4 years ago. And unless you've set up your TV to auto update, it's just gonna update it on its own. But right now it is downloading the firmware for the latest, the current version and the update version. So just a tip, when you're updating any of your TV or this one in particular, you cannot turn it off. Since it's downloading, you just give it, just be a little patient, wait a little bit, because once the update is done, your TV is gonna turn off on its own, and it's gonna spend some more minutes installing that update in your TV. So right now it's still just downloading it. I do have the video of the original unboxing that I did on this one. It was 4 years ago, so I'm gonna attach it to this video. But VIZIO was a new brand then, and right now it is actually, in comparison with the other smart TVs that I bought, the VIZIO TV so far has a lot of the apps. Like, if you see it right now, you can see the VIZIOgram. That's the new app that they have, VIZIOgram. It's like an Instagram for your TV. And you could also now do AirPlay, which I will be doing another video on that. You get apps there. You now have the sports zone. Originally it wasn't there. But this is just to update, like the update video. So here's the part where I'm talking about where the firmware is now gonna go download and install. So firmware update found and installing. Do not power off all the TV, or do not power off the TV during the update. So again, this is the additional minutes that you will spend after downloading the update. It's now gonna go install it into your TV. We're just gonna wait for a little bit. Again, I'm just letting it be. You can skip this. I'm wanting to have to show you that the exact time you will spend on just the update, the firmware update. If you have an old VIZIO TV, and it's still physically clean and it's not broken, just connect it to the internet so you can update the firmware, and it's gonna be good as like the newest version of the VIZIO TV in the market right now. So we are running now at almost 7 minutes. So that's the exact time since I started downloading the update. So again, it depends on your internet speed, but just be patient. And here now it's this is the one where the one that I'm talking about, where as soon as the update downloads and it's being installed, it will restart your TV on its own. So don't be surprised. So now here's another minute or two to wait again. So your VIZIO TV is now starting to look different with the features once you turn it on. So right now it's not totally done yet. You can see that at the bottom it says a new software update has been found. Please do not power off. And it says your VIZIO TV may restart to complete the software update. So as you are waiting, so this is the last part of the software update. And again, I'm doing it as with the exact time so you have an idea. So we are now running at 8 minutes in 15 seconds. So it's going up to 12 minutes. Again, you can move forward. You can forward this video if you want, but I just want to show you step by step from the beginning so you know what to expect when you're trying to upgrade your VIZIO TV firmware. So it's a little confusing, as right now it's saying 30% again. So because it was the first part was just downloading it into your TV, and the second part is installing the software or the firmware update to your TV. So right now we are at 35%. And as you see, if you observe, the screen is flashing as it goes because it's taking in the updates. So basically, once the update is done, when you go to the store, Target, Walmart, or whichever store you go to for purchasing your VIZIO TV, if you see a sample VIZIO TV sample or a demo TV there, you will see the same demonstration, the same feature, because now even if you have an old TV physically, it is brand new in the firmware. So it's like you have a new TV because it has all the new features, new software, new show, look, just everything that's being shown on a new Vizio TV right now. So here's the, so it looks like we are now done with the installing the new version of the Vizio TV Smart TV. So I will post another video showing you what apps are new and stuff like that. But right now I'm just going to show you, we did go to admin and privacy to get that a software update. And again, with you, if you want to know the model number of the TV, just to make sure, or like TV information, go to your system. See, I'm just going to show you just what information on this TV, and then see everything. If you see this one, this is a 4-year-old, again, a 4-year-old Vizio TV that I just upgraded the software. So go to settings, admin, and privacy, and there you can find your TV information as well as the check updates button. Thank you.